The Vermont Fish and Wildlife Department is preparing to make broad changes to deer hunting season. The state wants to better adapt to changing hunting demographics and also milder winters.
Local 44's Devin Bates spoke with the wildlife officials proposing those new regulations and joins us now in studio with more. Devin?
Well, Glenn, the Fish and Wildlife Board chair told me that Vermont hasn't made major changes to their deer regulations in the last 50 years, and he believes the ones they're proposing are necessary for the future of deer hunting in the state. Big changes could be on the way for big game hunting in Vermont. Deer Project leader Nick Fortin with Vermont Fish and Wildlife is proposing, among other things, extending certain seasons and reducing the annual limit for antlered bucks.
We're looking at changing the way we manage buck age structure, which means changing our antler point restriction that we have and going to a 1 buck annual limit, extending the archery season, making it quite a bit longer than it currently is, and then also adding an early antlerless only season to try to harvest more antlerless deer.
The department hopes the reduced annual limit will allow more bucks to grow into older age classes and, combined with the other measures Nick mentioned, help long-term population management goals.
The hope with most of these changes is that this gives us kind of a framework to manage deer into the future. So we're trying to be a little proactive here, anticipating that we're going to continue to lose hunters at least for a little while. So in the future we're going to have fewer hunters. We're also going to have likely shorter, milder winters, which will have less impact on deer. So we're going to be more dependent on hunters to manage our deer population.
Other changes include expanded archery zones in suburban areas experiencing overpopulation and allowing crossbows for all ages. They hope it'll lead to an increase in the archery harvest, but one hunter at the meeting expressed concern about letting young hunters use them. The Fish and Wildlife Board chair said he's eager to hear other hunters' opinions at upcoming meetings.
What I love most about deer hunters is they're a passionate bunch. But balancing, every one of them has a different opinion on how to do it. And so trying to get a general feel, for how they feel about the proposal is important, and that'll come out, I think, through the hearing process.
There will be 6 public hearings on these proposals. The first will be next Monday, 6:30 p.m. at Rutland High School. Live in studio, Devin Bates, Local 44 News.